You asked, how to divide 1002 by 4 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 10. 10 divided by 4 equals 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. 10 minus 8 equals 2. Bring down 0, making 20. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. 5 times 4 equals 20. 20 minus 20 equals 0. Bring down 2, making 2. 2 divided by 4 equals 0. 0 times 4 equals 0. 2 minus 0 equals 2. The remainder is 2. The final result is 250 remainder 2.